What's up guys, it's Eric from BeatSocial. Today we're going to be doing something a little fun like our BeatSocial series. We have here Ken with his beautiful Mazda Miata. If you guys are on social media and if you guys are into cars, you probably already know about this car already. And Ken will talk to you a little bit about his car, what he's done to it, and how he's been enjoying his Miata. Would you like to introduce yourself, a little bit about what you do, and why you picked the Miata as your fun car?
Sure.
Yeah.
My name is Ken Takahashi. I live in West Covina, California. Why I picked this Miata? I actually picked it up used back in 2019. I wanted a newer Japanese 6-speed convertible as a platform, and wasn't going to fix it up, but at the end I did.
Wow.
So that's the reason why I picked the Miata.
Nice.
Yes.
So why'd you pick the Miata and not an S2000? Because that's another 6-speed JDM convertible.
Correct.
Yeah.
I love the S2000. I did test out a S2000, but I said, well, I wanted more of a newer like 2000, later 2000s car. The Honda had a very, very high APR at a dealership too, so wanted to go through that route.
Yeah, cool. Well, it looks like you made the right decision, because looking at all the transformation that your Miata have gone through, looks beautiful right now. And if you guys already follow us, a few years ago, we also shot a video with the same exact Miata when it was blue. We did the phone holder installation to this car, so we'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. So, Ken, can you tell us a little bit of what you did to it? I mean, you did a bunch of stuff to this car. Let's start off from the outside and share with the viewers everything you've done to it.
Sure. Well, the outside, the front bumper and fender is by Garage Ready Japan. The hood is a charged speed. It's a carbon fiber hood, but it's wrapped by RGBG, wrapped by Aeroworks. They sponsored the wrap itself, and Aeroworks hooked it up, and my good friend James, he's the one who did an absolute fantastic job.
Yeah, it's really nice. It almost looks like paint. Like if you look at the reflection on it, the type of orange peel that it has, like it really looks like paint. It doesn't look like wrap at all.
The side skirts and the rear lip are also charged speed. The mirrors are from Japan as well, Craftsmanship, if I believe, if I'm thinking of. My headlights, as you can see, are custom. They are stock headlights, but the inside is changed out to a LC500 triple beam headlight, which the owner says, I'm the only one in the USA that has it, and he only sells to Japan, Miata owners only. So I'm very happy that I have it, and you know, makes a big difference of a normal Miata to a modified Miata. Volk T37s as well, Hyper Gold, one of one from what I've heard. It's 16 by 8 plus 25 with project kicks, lug nuts, and R1 big brake kit, front and rear. And also DG hardtop, carbon fiber hardtop, which I got it used from, I believe, Craigslist a while back. It's not a convertible anymore, but it's fun.
Wow, now that you mentioned everything you did on the outside, I just noticed there's the only part that is actually still stock is probably your rear quarter fender and your rear bumper.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's stock about.
Correct.
And your doors.
And my doors, yes,
Yeah.
correct. I did add, if you want to come here, and I can show you, it's called the rear cowl from Auto EXE Japan. It's just the cover right here.
That is really
just
cool.
a little bit, nothing too crazy. It's double-sided tape.
You have the spider tail lights?
Correct,
Yeah.
yes. I have the Spider tail lights. Thank you to Spider for sponsoring me. And also Student Driver, which is my good friends from the actors, Sung Kang and Daniel Wu. You know, I support very much as a fan, as a friend.
Right on. So a lot of the exterior modification you've done to this car, it's very, very unique. A lot of the parts are like one of one that exist in the US. you know, just by looking at this front bumper here, and it's very, very cool. It has like a molded in built-in diffuser, yeah, canard. And if you were to track your car, I'm sure it'll serve a purpose.
Correct.
Give you more downforce on the front end. Very, very aggressive look. It looks really, really cool. Do you have something down? Oh, you do have something down here.
I do.
Okay.
I actually have.
It's to protect your lip.
Yes, I have a thing. It's called slip low. It's actually guards from scrapes under the bumper, and also I have, underglows.
Oh wow, nice.
That's bring back the '90s. I guess underglows are coming back, or it is back already.
Fun.
Just a little bit of fun at shows. Just make it a little bit more eye-catching.
Yes, especially at like those night car meets.
Correct.
Makes it pop a bit more. Sweet, that is cool. You've done a lot to it, but everything's executed in a way where it still doesn't take away from the original look of the car. So
Correct.
It's not too overly done to make the car look so weird, but everything still comes together. So in a way, even though your front fender and your front body kit is a different company than the rest of the car, I mean, it all still flows together pretty well. So yeah, well done.
I will be adding a rear flare a little bit.
Okay.
And both sides, and I'll add a carbon wing to it, so a little bit more aggressive style.
Okay.
So stay tuned for that.
Right on.
Hopefully 4 or 5 months later, I'll get it done.
If you guys want to see how that looks, make sure you follow his Instagram. We'll leave it on the screen below. All right, cool. You want to open the hood for us and see what you've done under the hood?
Nothing too crazy yet. I have a carbon fiber auto EXE intake from Japan. And then I do have Odula headers, anti-gravity lithium battery. You could jumpstart with this battery as well. So it's a great investment.
When it comes a time where you really need to jumpstart your car, you'll really appreciate that function where it's built in.
Make it a little bit more nicer, detailed work.
Yes.
That do it. And eventually I would like to get a different valve cover and respray it, powder coat it to possibly gold. Maybe gold and red probably would be matching because my wheels are gold, my seats are red, so it might match.
Now let's walk over to your interior and show me what you've got inside of your car.
Here's my interior. I have Brid Air seats, 2 bucket seats. I have the carbon fiber center console, the CAE short shifter, Cusco harnesses that I use. I don't track my car, but it's nice to have harnesses. Student driver steering wheel. Actually put it down. So.
Quick release?
No, it's actually the work spell tilt up, so it'll tilt up and then I'll just adjust and then it'll be fine and dandy at car shows. So the BeatSonic cell phone holder, it charges and it's actually pretty nice. It's been working pretty well. And
that's our new model, by the way. That is our wireless charger on there, and they have a self-detecting, the coil self-adjusts to your phone, so that because some phones, it's depending on the phone model you have, the actual coil location is a little different. So this will actually adjust by itself and find the exact coil location. So there's no guessing, just place your phone on there and guarantee that it will charge. It charges pretty fast at 15 watts. And one thing that we are working on for this Miata is our Encore Alpha power amplifier, the ENA 2 and 3 series. So it'll give you an overall boost and higher quality sound system in the vehicle, make it plug and play. No need to change speakers, you could reuse your factory speakers. And if you get the ENA 3 series, it'll have these line outs where you can connect to power subwoofer, make it very, very easy to add a subwoofer to your Miata. So it's a product that we're working on and will be released pretty soon for Mazda Miatas and other Mazda vehicles as well. So look out for that.
Signatures are from Sun Kang, Daniel Wu, and Cody Walker. This car is not gonna be sold. Keep it forever. Hopefully, once I marry one day, give it to my son or daughter.
Nice. Okay.
We will see. Oh, also I forgot, my air ride is from Airlift. My bags are from June Fitted in Korea. It's right here. Also, Falcon tires, RT660s. That's about it.
All right, cool. All right, Ken, hey, thank you so much for talking about the car.
Sure.
Coming by BeatSonic
Anytime.
and in our studio here, just sharing your vehicle with the whole world. So that's the thing, guys, when you have nice things like this nice Miata here, I mean, you could keep it for yourself and have fun with it, but at the same time, if you're out here, going out to car show, just showing your car, just sharing your car with everybody else, like in the world with a big following through social media or car meets. I mean, that's what you want to be doing, especially if you have cool, nice cars like this. That's exactly what Ken's doing. For all of you guys watching, whether you have a Miata or not, if you have some BeatSonic products and you want to show your vehicle through our channel, hit us up. We'd be happy to work with you and show your car through our BeatSocial series. Thank you very much. And also, if you haven't yet, help our channel, follow us, subscribe, and also give us that like. And don't forget to follow Ken over here once again. And thank you very much, Ken, for your time. Appreciate it. And I'll see you around at the local car shows.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.